Hello, guys. Good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Sir Roland's Video Tips. For today's topic, we're going to discuss about the utilization of the Google Drive. So, we have four different subtopics for today. Utilization of Google Drive first. How to upload file or files to your Google Drive. Second, how to download the file from the Google Drive. Third, how to share the file or the folder through link from the Google Drive. And lastly, how to delete or move file or files in the folder within the Google Drive. So, without further ado, let's begin our video tips. Sir Roland video tips on the utilization of the Google Drive. Let's go! Okay, so let's begin our discussion on how to upload the file or files into your Google Drive. By the way, Google Drive offers up to 15 gigabytes free storage. So take note na 15 gigabytes free storage ang maaaring ibigay sa atin ni Google Drive. Okay, so first, all you have to do is proceed to your favorite browser and type drive.google.com. So any browser. On my part, I use the Google or the Google Chrome browser. Then on top of that, type drive.google.com. Okay, as you can see in the 9 dots, this is the Google Apps or the Google application. All you have to do is to click on that, and then you'll come up with this kind of environment. So here you will see the Google Drive symbol, which is the green, yellow, and blue form of triangle. So what you're gonna do is to click on that, and then here you are now on your Google Drive. So nakalagay dyan my drive. So it means you will see that you are inside your drive. Okay. Then next you'll notice this one, the storage capacity. It is indicated here that 2.4 gigabytes used out of 15 gigabytes free storage. So ang laki talaga ng binibigay ng Google Drive para sa ating free storage. So out of 15, 2.4 gigabytes pala ang nagagamit ko. Okay, so all you have to do is to click the plus or the new button. Okay, once click, ito ang lalabas kapag kinlik mo yung new or plus button. Then you're going to select the file upload. So click on that, then lalabas ka sa iyong PC, sa computer mo. Pipili ka ngayon kung saan mo magagaling ang i-upload mo sa Google Drive. For example, sa downloads ko, ito yung webinar etiquette, yan ang pipiliin ko. Then all you have to do is to click on that. Okay, once click, then i-click mo yung salitang open. Yan na siya, yung pinaka-title na napili mo, then click open. Okay, next step. Makikita mo sa baba, nagda-download na, you will see the uploading of your file. Then after that, if the downloading is finished, click this one, this portion. Okay, the interesting part, to refresh. So pag click natin na refresh, minsan hindi agad lumalabas. So once you click the refresh, lalabas po rin ang in-upload. Okay, here it goes. Ano po siya, yung webinar etiquette natin upload. That will be your uploaded file. Okay? So next one, next topic. How to download files from Google Drive. So pabalik na rin naman kanina on our PC going to the Google Drive. Now this time from the Google Drive, i-download natin yung so step, pupunta ka syempre sa yung Google Drive. Once you are now in the Google Drive, select the file to be downloaded. For example, ito yung napili kong i-download. Okay? So, right-click the selected file. So, right-click ka lang dyan sa napili file na transfer, then lalabas ito. Sa photos na ito. Then, all you have to do is to click download. Okay? And once click the download button, here your downloaded file. Okay, pag bigyan siya, kita mo yan, download mo yung file. Then all you have to do is to go to your PC, then go to the download. Go to the download section of your PC and locate the downloaded file. So yan yan. The downloaded file from the Google Drive is now ready to open. Okay, third subtopic actually, how to share a file or a folder through the link from the Google Drive. Ito naman part na ito, yung file na napili mo, isi-share mo ngayon sa iba sa pamamagitan ng isang link. Paano ba ginagawa yan? Okay, proceed first the Google Drive. Pag nakapasok ka na sa loob, then select the particular file to be shared. So, right-click ka lang doon. Right-click on the selected file. Ito yon. Then, click share. So, pag na-share mo na, na-click mo na yung share, right-click on the selected folder and click share. For example, kung napindot mo share, pipili ka ngayon kung saan siya dadalhin. So, add the email address of the person you want to share your file. Type mo yung email address ng taong pagbibigyan mo. Okay? Click the word change if you want anyone from NetNet could access your file. Hanap natin yung change. Yung sa baba ang change, no? Kung gusto mong makita yan na pag-restricted, kung sino na yung pinag-boot ng email address, dito sa mga gusto mong bigyan na nilagay sa kapag pinili mo naman ang Department of Education, kung sino lang yung merong extension name ng or anyone with the link. Basta may link, pinasa mo sa kanila link, may kita nila. So, dito tayo sa anyone with the link. Click the pop-down arrow and choose anyone with the link. So, i-click mo yan, yung pop-down arrow na yan, para lumabas yung 3 options na yan. Then, click with the link. Okay, pag sinabing click with the link, sino man ang pagbigyan mo ng link na ikakopy mo mamaya, ay makikita nila or ma-access nila yung file na sinare mo sa kanila. Okay? Then, also, in the top-down arrow again, you will see the 3 types of button or description. Makikita nyo lang pero hindi ko po din na-edit. Commenter, he or she can comment but editor, yun, pwede ka lang pag-collaborate sa file na meaning, you can edit and you can do anything about it. You can shoot and you can save it. Okay? So, kung collaboration ang hanap mo, click the editor. Choose the word editor. Kung gusto mo lang ipakita sa kanya, ay mo pakialaman nila, click viewer. Okay? So, yan ang ating hahanapin. Again, pinakita lang sa'yo, binilugan lang yung sa likod ng editor. And then choose the role of recipient between viewer, commenter, and editor. Copy the link and paste in the messenger or any other social media accounts. So, So, i-click mo lang yung copy link. Then, proceed to your social media accounts such as Messenger, Twitter, or Facebook. So, once you copy the link, so click Done. Okay. So, after that, proceed to your Messenger or Facebook. Then, click on the Messenger part. Paste the link in your FB group. So, ito yung link. Share nyo sa kanya. Then, click Post. So, anyone with the link can open a file or a folder you shared through link in the Google Drive. So, now let's proceed to the last subtopic. How to delete, move files in a folder within the Google Drive. Tapos na tayo mag-upload from your PC to Google Drive. Then download from Google Drive to your PC. Then how to clear it with the link now. We're going to delete or move a certain file or a folder within the Google Drive. Okay, let's proceed. So again, open mo muna yung Google Drive. Kapag nasulog ka ng Google Drive, all you have to do is to right-click the particular folder or file to be removed. Then, hanapin mo yung salita remove. Piliin mo lang yan. Choose remove. And then, all you have to do is to right-click a file and then choose move to. Kanina, ni-remove mo. Remove na yung particular file. Now, kasi wala naman i-remove. So, i-transfer. Okay? So, right-click again yung file or folder. Then, hanapin mo yung move to. Okay. So, yeah. And then, choose My Drive and click the right arrow to select where to move the file. My Drive. Then meron lang arrow. Click mo lang yun. And then, choose any folder where you want to transfer the file. For example, yung kanina, gusto mo ilagay sa the best webinar file. Kasi select mo siya kung clear mo yung siya. Gusto mo siya gusto i-transfer. Then, click choose any folder where you want to transfer the file. Dito nga siya. Then, click move. Okay? Click the word move. So, pag na-move na siya ron, malilipat na yung file sa folder na yan. Okay? So much for that. That's all for today. So, if you have questions, just comment it in the comment section. And if you have some questions or requests for a new video, don't forget or don't hesitate to type it down on that comment section. Okay? So much for now. Ito po ay Sir Roland. Gagawin kita ng mga video tutorial for your requests. Okay. So I hope you learned something from this simple tutorial. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And of course, share it with others. Bye-bye!